Hello folks, in today's video we're going to be discussing what's the difference between a bike handle and a loop handle trimmer. And first we're going to start off with the bike handle. This one right here that looks like a bike handle, and these things are meant for more flat open terrains, and you normally need a harness like this. And they're usually a lot more powerful, but it's not always the case. But yes, these things are more powerful, more on the commercial side, but you don't want to take them into your garden or your small yard because they're going to tear up stuff unless you have a lot of skills. Next, we're going to go over to the loop handle, and these ones are usually a little bit more smaller, lighter, but not always the case. And these ones work perfect in gardens just because you can maneuver them, you can move them sideways, you can take them on hills and all that. I don't really need to use a harness, but it's recommended to have one. So to summarize everything, you can use this one for more commercial flat surface. You can put on your harness, you can work with these trimmers for hours at a time. And the loop handle, it's for smaller jobs. If you're a homeowner, you have a small property, there's no point in having one of these things. So yes, that's about it.